Guys, we're about to hop in the truck for the first time after picking it up, and boy am I excited. So as you can see right here where the transfer case goes up and the bolts go in, line up, they all snapped off on this right side. Jesus, all that horsepower. So we just got back home from picking up the truck from the transmission shop. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get the trans cooler and the Airdog and the sump installed because we ran into some problems when he was installing the transmission. The transfer case was bad. When he went to take out the fluid, there was little to none in the transfer case. So we opted to get a new transfer case, and he got 4 cents out that were wrong. Either the shaft was too long or it wasn't the correct transfer case. So he had to deal with shipping it back and getting a new one and shipping it back multiple times. So it took up a lot of his time. But let's hop into the truck here and I'll show you the new transmission and the transfer case and how it all looks. So here's the new transfer case we had installed, and coming down the line, there's the new transmission. You can see the deep transmission pan from Ppei. This is a Firepunk Stage 1 transmission built to hold 800 horsepower. So now that we have the transmission installed, we can start working on go fast parts and engine mods. But first we need to install the Airdog. Since I didn't have it installed at the shop, we're going to make a video about installing that. Not that there's already not 1,000 videos on YouTube about it. Some things I wanted to talk about the transmission is it's a Firepunk Stage 1 competition transmission. Holds up to 800 horsepower. Like I said, it's for the 47 to 48 RE transmission. It's got a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty on it, which is really awesome. It's got a lot of billet parts. It's mostly billet on the inside. It's got a billet input shaft, billet output shaft, billet DPC triple torque converter. Also got a competition master kit in it with added clutches and an added oversized second gear band. Billet strut, billet anchor, billet accumulator piston, billet double seal second gear servo, billet 4.2 ratio apply lever. Also has a Firepunk billet high pressure valve body. And it has that deep pan from Ppei like I showed you under the truck a second ago. And then it also has an SFI certified billet flex plate. So as you can see, most of the parts inside the truck are billet, and that's what I wanted. I really wanted a bulletproof transmission that would be able to hold about 800 horsepower, because that's kind of what my goal is right now, I guess at this point, is 800 horsepower or so. It's kind of what I'm building towards. But I'm really excited that I got this new transmission in the truck, because now I can start doing engine upgrades, and we can get the Airdog in like I talked about, and just a lot more upgrades now that I have a transmission that's not going to go into limp on me like the old one. The old one wasn't doing so hot. But this new one, just from driving it home, and I've drove it around a little bit earlier today as well, it's really nice. I can notice a huge difference in it. First, the second gear is it's like a hard shift, because it's like it's this competition transmission, so it's like when you hit the line, first second's quick and hard, but after that, when you're just cruising down the highway, third, fourth, fifth gear, it's nice and smooth. It's a huge difference, and I'm really excited for it. And really excited to start putting some power behind the truck. Sorry, I keep looking at the truck over here. But I'm really excited to start getting some power into the truck now that I have a transmission in the truck. So I guess now after this and getting the Airdog in, it's going to be start working on engine mods. Like I said, I'm just super excited to do injectors, springs, and studs, and all that fun stuff. But that's going to be a wrap on today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. We'll see you next time.